Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I received my package in the mail from the Royal Australian Mint. I've already cut the seal, so it saves some time. Now I was lucky enough to win the second ballot for. I've purchased 2 red poppies. So as I said in the previous video, I only purchased the 2, one for my mum and one for my collection. So yeah, they've finally arrived. Most of you have seen these by now. So it's a 2022 $2 Remembrance Day poppy, C mint mark coin. And the C's right in there. So there's 60,000 minted. So just like the previous releases for the colour $2 C mint mark coins, it's now 60,000. So yeah, I've got the 2. So one will be going to my mum and one for my collection. Now I have a suggestion for maybe the next popular release for the colour $2 coins. Now I think they should have a few 1 to 3 ballots. The first ballot I'll be having for people that are regular customers of the Royal Australian Mint and that do spend money on purchasing most of their products each month. I think that's fair for those people. And then I would have a second ballot for, you could maybe have a threshold of a certain amount of money spent, but I think that will be a bit hard for some people. So I just think regular customers of the Royal Australian Mint, they should get priority before everyone else. That's what I thought they might do with this ballot, but they didn't. A lot of people signed up, new people, new accounts just to get this coin. And to be honest, it's unfair for the ones that have been buying Royal Australian Mint products for several years, some for 10, 20 years they've been buying from. So I think they should get priority before everyone else. And then have that second ballot, and if no one, then they have a third one if some people don't take up the offer. So that's what I think they should do moving forward. I'm not sure what they're going to do. We'll soon see, because if it's another popular release like this red poppy, I think they need to change it up. For sure, I think moving forward they will have ballots now for these coins. But as I said, I think they should have 1 to 3 ballots and give priority to the ones that actually do purchase products from the Royal Australian Mint. Yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think. Do you think that people should have priority that purchase products all the time? Yeah, let me know. I think Purple Penny prioritize people that purchase regularly from them. So those people were ahead of the queue for these poppies. So I think that was a good idea, and I think the Royal Australian Mint should also do that. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think. There should be priority for people that purchase regular from the Royal Australian Mint. So if you found value in the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for all the support, and I'll see you on the next video.